What's occurring? Dwi yma ar y traeth yn y Barri lle mae'n wag, mae'n ddistaw a mae'n oer. A mae rai pobl yn deud mae'r lle yma wedi gweld diwrnodau gwell. A mae'r un peth yn wir am y clwb PêL-DROED. Ond da ydy'r dyddiad da ar fi'n dod yn ôl. A mae yna un chwaraewr sydd wedi bod ar dan yn Cwpan Cymru tra mae'r un 10 gol yn barod iddo fo, a 5 yn nhw yn ebyn dimbych yn y rownd dwytha.
A dyma Dixon! A James Dixon yn parhau a'i rediad ragorol. Dixon i'r Barri am yr ail. Teg at Dixon mae'n mynd, ac mae'n i Sgorio'r drydedd. Sgiliau da, sgiliau gwych, i ffynnu ddyn ôl, a dyma Dixon eto. Dixon am y bumed, a mae'n i wneud i. O, lle mae credu'r peth, James Dixon.
Mae James Dixon a'i goliau sy'n dwyn y penawdau, dwi wedi dod i Bargener i sgwrsio fo un dyn sy'n benderfynol o arwain y Barri yn ôl i'r uchelfannau.
You know, we played some good football that day and he took his chances quite well, and to do it in 2 rounds is just unbelievable. But 10 goals in a competition so far, fingers crossed that'll continue. But you know, the Welsh Cup's a competition that means the world to us. It's given us some great memories, and I know that James himself can't wait for the TNS game. At the moment he's nursing a bit of a knock, if I'm being honest, but we're having to wrap him up in cotton wool, but I'm sure he'll be fine for the big game itself.
More than half of your squad are local people. What is the difference of being a local lad?
Barry's a football mad area. We've got a greater affinity now with our local community than ever before, and that's an essential part of our business plan as a club. But yeah, the local lads, they love it. They know what it means to play for this club, and they'll do whatever it takes to defend it.
And talking about TNS then, how do you beat them? You know, they're just a side who set the standard.
Yeah, I'll have to phone Connors Key because the other week, you know, but for many of our players, it's probably one of the biggest games that they'll play in. It is going to be difficult. They're a full-time outfit. It is going to be difficult. They've got some magnificent players, but we've got some really good players who I think belong on a higher stage, and our challenge is quite simply to make days like the TNS game a more consistent feature of our season.
Dan ni wedi meiddi TNS yn y final Cwpan Cymru o'r blaen. So felly, pam lai allwn ni ddim wneud eto y tro hwn?
Sut ydych chi'n mynd i curo nhw?
Wel, sgorio mwy o goliau ni nhw, dyna sut mae PêL-DROED yn gweithio, so...
So, fydd rhywbeth ddigwydd mewn gêm gwpan ar y diwrnod gellith, a ti'n meddwl neitho?
Wel, gobeithio mae wedi, FA Cup, ti'n gwylio'r gemau fyna, a gobeithio Welsh Cup, Barri Town, shock around.
They've got winners in that dressing room. They know what it's like to play at the highest level, and that's a challenge for us. But it's a challenge we've got to embrace. It's a challenge we can't let overawe us, or it's a challenge that we can't let fear us in any way. It's an opportunity, and in many ways, considering where we've been, this is a celebration of football.
And hopefully a day to remember.
Fingers crossed.
Well, good luck. Good luck, going. Thanks, mate. Thank you.